there are two types of interrogations. What are the two types of interrogations?
Of interrogation. We covered that.
No. I'm asking in English. There are two types of interrogation. One interrogation is which is answered in one word, yes or no. How you do it in English? You just change the order of the sentence. You bring the helping verb earlier and it becomes a question. Hada kitabun. What to? Convert it to an interrogation, what do you say? In English, this is a book. Is this a book? Answer would be yes or no. But in Arabic, what you do? You simply add for this type of interrogation. Remember, for this type of interrogation, which is answered in yes or no, you have to add either a or hal. Very simple. Hal haza kitabun? A haza kitabun? That sentence is Arabic, interrogative now.
Can you repeat that, please?
There are two types of interrogations in every language. One is the answer to which is yes or no. How you do in English? You simply change the order of the sentence. This is a pen. Is this a pen? So you bring the helping verb earlier and it becomes a question form. In Arabic, how you make such type of interrogation? Answer is, the sentence remaining the same, simply you have to add hal or a. Hal hada kitabun? A hada kitabun?
They would stay in the beginning.
Yeah.
Always.
No, you don't say change. They add one of the two. These are both are huruf. Technically speaking, ism, fail and harf, they are huruf. What is the second type of interrogation in English and how you do that?
You add one of those W.
Yeah, you add one of the W category nouns, interrogative nouns. What, who, when, where, which, how.
Is it called a noun or a pronoun?
In Arabic they are nouns. Asmaul istifham, they are. Istifham in Arabic is question. Asmaul, these are huruful istifham. Huruful istifham, hal and a. And asmaul istifham, that we will study just now. Man, who, ma, what, ayyu, which, ayyul fariqaini haqqu bil amn, which of the two parties deserve more peace? Man, ma, ayyu. When is mata? Or the other word for this is ayyana. Ayyana yawmul qiyamah. La uqsimu bi yawmil qiyamah wala uqsimu bin nafsil lawwama ayahsabu al insanu allan najma izama bala qadirin ala an nusawwiya banana bal yuridu al insanu liyafjura amama yasalu ayyana yawmul qiyamah. When would be the day of judgment? Ayyana and mata, when. Kaifa is how. Kaifa haluk. Kaifa is how. Is that complete?
Even where? Aina.
Aina. Where? Yeah. Aina. Another important point about them is, like English, they all are conjunctive nouns too. All that glitters or all which glitters is the same.
Could you repeat that, please?
In English, all these W beginning interrogations are both ways. They are conjunctives as well as interrogatives. To say, I'll go when you go. Now this is not question. This is conjunctive. The man who met me was
This.
such and such. This is again not conjunctive. When you start with them, they are conjunctive, but they come in the middle of sentence, they are conjunctive. To start with, interrogative, but same is the case with Arabic. So, man, who, ma, what, ayu, which, mata and ayyana, when, kaifa, how, and aina, where. कोई रह तो नहीं गए? मता हो गया, ठीक हो गया. Okay. How to use them? Again, very simple. Ma hada. Simply you have to add in the beginning of the sentence. Ma hada. Kaifa anta. Kaifa haloka, your condition. Kaifa haloka, how is your condition? Hada, this. Ma hada, what is this? Very simple. There is no complication in it. You can have the examples from the Quran. Man dallazi, from Ayatul Kursi. Man dallazi yashfa'u indahu illa bi'izni. Allazi, today we have studied Allazi, Alladani, Allazina. Man dallazi, who is the one? Yashfa'u indahu, will intercede before him, illa bi'iznihi, except with his permission. Okay? Oh, sorry, I just erased them. No, just before we studied ma, that was ma for negation. That is a harf, remember. This ma is a noun. That is a technical issue only. You don't have to worry about it. Example. Ma.
ماذا تفعل؟
Maza tafalu gada. Maza tafalu gada. In the end of Surah Luqman, Allah Almighty has described that inna Allah indahu ilmus sa'ah. It's only Allah who has the knowledge of the last moment. وَيُنَزِّلُ الْغَيْثَ, and He drops the rain. وَيَعْلَمُ مَا فِي الْأَرْحَامِ, and He knows what is in the wombs. Madra. No, yes, Madra, just correct. You are right. Right example. Then, Inna Allah indahu ilmus sa'a wa yunazzilul ghais wa ya'lamu ma fil arham. This is a very interesting ayah, and mostly it has been taken not exactly as it is in the Quran. In the Quran, they are in three groups. First is Inna Allah indahu ilmus sa'a. This is hasr. It is only Allah who knows about sa'a. And the next two are just statements. Yunazzilul ghais, He drops the rain. It doesn't negate that anyone will not drop the rain or cannot drop the rain. وَيَعْلَمُ فِي الْأَرْحَامِ, it is again a general statement. He knows what is in the wombs. And it doesn't negate, no one else knows. But the next two are again only for Allah.
وما تدري نفس
وَمَا تَدْرِي نَفْسٌ مَاذَا تَكْسِبُ غَدًا. No one knows what he will do tomorrow. وَمَا تَدْرِي نَفْسٌ بِأَيِّ أَرْضٍ تَمُوتُ. And no one knows that which part of the earth he will die at. So three are only for Allah, two are general. So but we are talking about ma. Maza taksibu gada. What he will earn tomorrow. That means what he will do tomorrow. Wama tadri nafsun, that ma is nafiya. Wama tadri nafsun, no individual knows. Bi ayyi ardin tamut. Which part of earth will he die at?
يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض.
وما ربك
That is also not conjunctive. That is conjunctive, not interrogative. Ya'lamu ma fi samawati wal ard. He knows all that is in heavens and earth. For those who understand Urdu, they can have an interesting clue. When they are with kaf, they are interrogative. When they are with jeem, they are conjunctive. कहाँ जहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैं वही जा रहा हूँ जहाँ से आया था. कौन जॉन? कौन सा? जॉन सा. किस जिस? किसने किया? जिसने पहले किया था. So only the prefix kaf and jeem. Jeem is conjunctive and kaf is interrogative. So in all three languages that I know, Urdu, Punjabi, together, English and Arabic. So interrogative nouns are conjunctive also. But in Urdu, with small change, but in Arabic and English as such. Okay, then the example of what? Ayyu shayin akbaru shahada. Qul ayyu shayin akbaru shahadatan. Ask them, which is the thing which has a greater witness value? Akbaru shahadatan. Then mata hadal wadu. They ask you, O Prophet, mata hadal wadu. When this promise of hereafter or the punishment will be fulfilled. Mata. Ayyana, we have already done from Surah Qiyamah. Ayyana yawmul qiyamah. Kaifa? Kaifa haluk? Kaifa?
كيف تكفرون بالله
Kaifa takfuruna billahi? How are you going to deny Allah? How can you deny Allah? Right in the first juz, third section. وَكَيْفَ تَكْفُرُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَكُنْتُمْ أَمْوَاتًا فَأَحْيَاكُمْ ثُمَّ يُمِيتُكُمْ ثُمَّ يُحْيِيكُمْ ثُمَّ إِلَيْهِ تُرْجَعُونَ. Alam tara kaifa fa'ala rabbuka. Kaifa, yes. But that kaifa, no, it's correct. It's the same, interrogative. Alam tara, did you ever see? Kaifa fa'ala rabbuka. How Allah treated those with elephants. So kaifa is how? Aina. Aina tazhabuna. Where are you going? That is interrogative.